Hi there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. We're actually at our shop today. We had a customer come by. He has a 2017 Porsche Cayenne S, and so we're going to put on the bracket for him. We've never, even though this bracket's been out a while, we've never filmed this particular vehicle, so we thought we'd do a fitment on this, and because this is one, unfortunately there's no fasteners under here, so we have to drill some holes and show you how we do that. So we'll go ahead and get started. I'll turn it over to Mike. And
alright, thanks Steve. Alright, so like Steve said, this is one that there's no factory fastener, so it will be a drill. Here, the one what's going to be holding the bracket on are these 6.3 by 20s. So there, you got a 10mm head on them. So first thing we're going to do is get this thing aligned, and that sometimes gets pretty interesting. We include foam tape, so double-sided foam tape, so you can get it exactly where you want it before you put holes in it. So we're going to center it on the car, and then go for the 1/4 inch off the bumper, and also not cock. So we're going to just find an initial spot and we'll make adjustments from there. So all right, I can already see I'm way to the left, so I'm going to move that over a little bit.
alright, let's
Okay,
take a look.
alright, Steve, you want to check that out?
Alright, let me check your left and right. It's actually not bad, right?
Get a reference, but all right. So now once that's done and you're happy with, as a matter of fact, I left the tape on. When you're happy with where it's at, you're going to drill your 3 pilot holes. This is a 1/8 inch drill bit. Real important that you drill right in the center of the hole. Otherwise, all that work you did lining it up will be for naught. So. And the other thing is, when you're drilling your pilot hole, you do want to go, make sure you're drilling just through the plastic. Don't take a 3-inch drill bit and go through the plastic and then keep going, because you don't know what else is underneath there. So you end up doing damage to something. So just drill where you need to be. All right, so now we're going to take our 6.3 by 20, start it in a hole. This is probably the most important part right here. You're going to run them down until they're flush. And then, so like right now it's flush, brackets up against there, and then you just go like 1/4 to a 1/2 turn and stop. No more. And those will never come out. If you try to tighten them like a normal screw, you'll end up stripping out the plastic, and then it's going to lose its ability to hold. So again, flush, 1/4 to a 1/2 turn and stop. Same thing here, we're flush now, 1/4 to a 1/2, and there you go, and that's never going to come off, and that's it. And then normally, when you go to take your bracket on and off, this is what it'll look like: the base plate on, start it in, get it past the pull pin, just push it till it locks in place, and you're all done.
Okay, make sure that you lubricate your pull pin from time to time to keep that working smoothly. And if you do go through a car wash, make sure that you remove your front plate with a license plate on it. I'll show you what it looks like from the front. And your license plate will go on the front plate, and you are all done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.